Hello students, today we will solve the question number 7 of JEE Advanced 2025. In this question, there are three strings S1, S2, S3 and it is connected in series as shown in the figure, and its linear mass density is given. S1 linear mass density is mu, S2 linear mass density is 4 mu and S3 linear mass density is 16 mu, and at this point O, a wave generator is attached to the one end of S1 and it will produce the wave. Okay, the wave equation is given here. Then the equation of wave in S1 is given in this direction. Okay, in this question you have to find the first reflected wave from P and Q and first transmitted wave from P and Q. Okay, as we know that when the wave is reflected from the denser medium, the reflected wave would be inverted, means its phase would be different from the incident wave by pi, and there is no phase change between incident wave and the transmitted wave. Either the wave is transmitted through the denser medium or through the rarer medium. Clear? By using this you can find the equation of reflected wave and transmitted wave. Okay, clear? Now I am going to write the equation of reflected wave from P. As the incident wave is this one, then there is a phase change of pi between incident wave and the reflected wave. So what should be the equation of reflected wave from P? First reflected wave from P, y is equal to, as the amplitude will decrease because the energy will lost, then the amplitude of the reflected wave will be different. Then you can write this one, where alpha 1 is the positive number, alpha 1 is a positive number, and if it will travel in negative x-axis, then you can write omega t plus kx. Okay, and it is inverted, so you can write the y value is in the negative y direction. Okay, and the wave is traveling in the same medium S1, hence the value of k will be same. And when you simplify this, you can write cos omega t plus kx plus pi. Fine, because cos theta plus pi is equal to minus cos theta. Okay, from here minus, we can write this one, cos pi plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So this is the reflected wave equation. Okay, so this is the right option. Check here. Okay, now writing the transmitted wave. What would be the transmitted wave equation? Here the transmitted wave equation, in the transmitted wave equation it is written k, but the wave is traveling in different medium in a string S2. Value of k, wave number, will be same in this medium or will be different. Okay, let us find. As we know that value of k, wave number, is equal to omega pi v. What is the omega? Omega is the angular frequency, and this is equal to omega 2 pi f divided by v, and frequency f. This frequency this frequency will not change. It will be constant throughout S1, S2, S3 because it depends upon the frequency of the source, because this is the source that produces the wave. Okay, and the wave frequency depends upon the frequency of the source, and hence this should be constant. Hence you can write, and velocity is equal to T upon mu, where T is the tension and mu is the mass per unit length. Hence K, wave number, you can say that proportional to a square root of mu, mass per unit length. And here it is given the wave when the wave is traveling in medium S1. The value of wave number is given K. Okay, hence K dash wave number for the string S2, when the wave passes through S2, then its value should be 2K. And similarly, wave number for S3 will be 4K. Fine. Now you can easily find the equation of transmitted wave and reflected wave. Okay, so this is wrong, because right equation of transmitted wave is equal to alpha 2 y0 cos omega t minus 2kx, because wave is traveling in the second medium S2. Okay, and its value of wave number is 2k and omega is constant. Fine. And what is the reflected wave through Q? Reflected wave through Q should be this should change, amplitude, maximum amplitude should change, this value should change, the cos. This is the incident wave omega t, and the wave travels along negative x-axis, so this should be 2kx and plus pi. This is the right option, but C is wrong. This is the right answer. And now I am going to find the transmitted wave through Q. So Q alpha 4 y0 4k. Okay, fine. And this is traveling in positive x-axis, so omega t minus 4kx. This is the right option. Clear? Okay.